How to fix no sound on WhatsApp status. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, make sure your iPhone is not on silent or vibration mode. You can also then go ahead and increase the media volume, and also you can swipe down from the top right of your screen and increase the volume in your control center too. WhatsApp status plays as media, so ringer or notification volume does not affect it. Next, go to iPhone settings and scroll down and tap on the apps option there, and scroll down again and tap on the WhatsApp option you see there. Further, tap on the notifications option and make sure that sounds are enabled, and if not, then go ahead and enable the toggle button for sounds. Next, go ahead and open WhatsApp on your device and then force quit WhatsApp along with all the apps running in the background. Simply swipe up on your screen and force quit WhatsApp and all the apps, and then restart the app and see and play the status again and see if the sound is available or not. If not, then open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp. Make sure the WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further. Also, launch the settings application again and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, tap on the WhatsApp option and then go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Also, swipe down from the top right of your screen again and then go ahead and disable Bluetooth, as sometimes the sound is connected to the Bluetooth media without you knowing. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix no sound on WhatsApp status. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.